Hi, welcome back in Portugal. Midweek update on the projects we're working on and on the things that happened last week. So, the table is almost ready. It's time to flip it around and do the sanding of the top. And then that's done, ready to deliver. Which of course we are going to have to find the right day to do the 380 kilometers through the Portuguese roads to get there, but almost done with this project. So the weekend was like really great. We went to the Tomar Alternativo, which is a kind of a artist market, but also second-hand goods and things like that. And it's in the beautiful park in Tomar, and we had a beautiful day. And we took along a bit of woodworking, the crochet work of my wife, and I took some Triple Chaos guitars with me. And it was a nice surprise that people really liked them, and actually a few people played on them, and well, you could call it mini concerts, you know, behind our market stall. So that was really nice. I'll share a few moments with you, so you can see what our weekend was like.
You got me running, got me hiding, got me run, hide, run any way you want. Oh my, yeah. Well, I done what you wanted, baby, why you wanna let go? Creeping, love me hiding, love me creep, hide, creeping, and where you want, let it roll, come on. Yeah. Well, I done what you wanted, baby, why you wanna let go? Baby, why you wanna let go? Well, I done what you wanted, done what you wanted, yeah, I done what you wanted. Well, I done what you wanted, baby.
So that was our weekend. Really nice to have a sunny day out on the market and people actually giving you compliments about the things you do. That's really a nice day. And there's not much more news in this midweek update, other to say than I'm working on a few other projects. One of them is this shape of nested tables, and I've glued up a few boards for them, but still a lot of work on them, but there will be a video of that. And there's maybe gonna be like a little hand tool to make 18, but I don't know whether I can manage to do that with all the other things that are in the queue of things that need to be done, so we'll see about that. Just to say thank you to all the people who are actually make this channel possible. That's family and friends, and my wife, and my patrons, Donald Dean, Lloyd Orr, Mary Lee and Bob the Builder. There are 4 of them, and if you think that the videos are worthwhile, then maybe you could consider and look on the link below the video for the Patreon account, and you can see what kind of things are happening there. And it comes with updates on other projects that are not on YouTube or not on YouTube yet, like the making of a drum sander out of recycled materials. A very slow process, but it's done. So and whenever there's an update on that, it's for patrons only on Patreon, and a few other little private things. So if you're interested, just have a look on it. For now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Enjoy your summer. Do some recycling, it's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next project video, probably before the weekend. Até logo.